This Thanksgiving, whether you're traveling to visit family or hosting a special dinner at your place, you need to know the best methods to cooking a Thanksgiving turkey. In this video, I'm going to go over the 5 best ways to cook a turkey that you ought to try this year. Number 1, roasting. Roasting a turkey in the oven is a classic method. Preheat the oven, prepare the turkey with your desired seasonings, and roast it at a consistent temperature until it reaches the recommended internal temperature. Basting the turkey periodically can help keep it moist. Method number 2, deep frying. Deep frying a turkey results in crispy skin and juicy meat. This method requires a large pot, a lot of oil, and caution as it involves submerging the turkey in hot oil. Safety measures are crucial for this method to avoid accidents. Number 3, grilling. Grilling a turkey can impart a unique, smoky flavor. You can grill the turkey whole or in parts. Use indirect heat to cook the turkey and monitor the internal temperature to ensure it's thoroughly cooked. 4, smoking. Smoking a turkey involves slow cooking it over indirect heat, infusing it with smoky flavors. It's a lengthier process that can take several hours, but results in tender and flavorful meat. Last, but certainly not the least, method number 5, spatchcocking. Spatchcocking involves removing the backbone of the turkey and flattening it to cook more evenly and quickly. This method often leads to a well-cooked bird with crispy skin. Each method offers a different taste and texture to the turkey, so choosing one largely depends on personal preference and the tools available. Additionally, following food safety guidelines and using a meat thermometer to ensure the turkey reaches a safe internal temperature of at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit is crucial regardless of the cooking method. Best of luck to you all, and happy Thanksgiving.